चक्रव्यूह में घुसने से पहले कौन था मैं, कैसा था, यह मुझे याद ही न रहेगा। चक्रव्यूह में घुसने के बाद मेरे और चक्रव्यूह।
My name is Saroj Goyal. Me and my husband, we started the business in 1977. We had a office on 303 Fifth Avenue for the wholesale. He had one customer, but she said, like, Goyal, I don't want to pay your bill, you just take my shop. And it was 770 Broadway, 9th Street, like, just take my shop. When I came here, I saw him doing work, and then I just supported him. For everything, whatever he is doing, I just wanted to be with him. We had one son, Prashant, who helped in the store so much, and he was, I think, 3 years old when we came here.
सिर्फ एक जानलेवा निकटता थी, इसका मुझे पता ही न चलेगा। चक्रव्यूह से निकलने के बाद मैं मुक्त हो जाऊं भले ही, फिर भी चक्रव्यूह की रचना में फर्क ही नहीं पड़ेगा।
Like you can use as a tablecloth, wall hanging, or anything. It's really vintage, like very old pieces. If you like anything, you let me know. Okay?
Of course, yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. These ones I want to put like in another shelf. Like the more sequence ones. We had like a brand name things, like all not these, not Indian stuff. Like 25 years ago, somebody was asking me, this Ganesh we have on the altar, and they said, we want to buy this. I said, no, I'm not selling, this is my altar, So they said, okay, but we want to pay $1,000. I said, no. We used to go India a lot, so we bought some artifacts and statues of like Ganesh and everybody, and we sold in 1 week. That time the Indian market was very high, like everybody wanted Indian things. Then the Carter time, like a recession came, and the business was down, and we had no lease. These jackets are 55, and they are reversible.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Can I try it on?
You can try them, and I have more, like a lot of them more.
Amazing.
So if you want, you can try. You can try.
Okay.
Yeah.
मरूं या मारूं, मारा जाऊं या जान से मार दूं, इसका फैसला कभी ना हो पाएगा। सोया हुआ आदमी जब नींद से उठकर
And if you have Instagram, you can follow me, Dress
Okay,
Shoppy
great.
NYC.
Oh, yeah, perfect. Yeah.
And like this one has like a Durga picture in it. Durga is my most favorite goddess,
Okay.
and she's for energy and strength. So we don't put no meat, no shoes, no dirty clothes in this bag.
Okay.
Okay?
What's the name? Durga.
Durga.
Durga. Okay.
Here. She's always in my neck. Then we came here. Just 20 years ago, he had a kidney transplant, 2011, but he was doing great. And 2019, he was in the hospital for 3 months, and I was not paying attention to the shop. I was staying with him. But 2019, 12th of September, he died, and I miss my husband so much. Very happy man, singing all the time, going the cruise wearing like most colorful clothes, shoes, socks, and the American says, this man dress up the best. We don't know how to dress up on the cruises. And they will pull him to take him to the stage. He will tell you a lot of jokes.
Yeah.
He will make you, and nurses used to dance when he used to go to the hospital. Oh, Goyal is here, we will have a lot of jokes.
Yeah.
They will dancing, they are dancing.
Mm-hmm.
And he made me laugh so much.
Yeah.
And we used to do a lot of candlelight dinners, two of us.
Oh, that's
He was a
nice.
very that kind of person.
Yeah.
Well, this is a beautiful shop. It's been a beautiful neighborhood community
For
spot.
46 years.
46 years. And her husband was
He
a
was
wonderful man and still is. We talk to him every day, right?
Yes.
Yeah, he's with
Yes.
you. But God bless you. And
We were
God bless
together in the 24 hours a day, but I didn't know anything, how much is the rent and the bills and the IRS and the anything. He used to handle everything, and he didn't tell me anything. October, my son went to the landlord and he paid the rent and everything, and they said, tell your mom, don't worry about it. But they didn't send me no bills, how much rent we owe, we do, whatever. In November, I fell down in the store and outside the store, and I broke my 2 backbones. Then I called them in the February. I said, please tell me where I'm standing for my rent, you know. I went there with the broken bones but she was not there. One day she came suddenly and she was yelling at me, shouting at me, where is the rent? I want lump sum. And I was just crying. I said, I called you myself and I wanted to pay you guys whatever I can. I don't know what my husband owed you and what was the rent. And so she said, no, I want lump sum. Then I didn't say anything. I just kept quiet. I was just crying. Then the March COVID started. Then we were closed for 6 months. Then when we opened it, nobody was coming here the whole year. We had a Zoom meetings with the landlords and we agreed for $5,000 a month I will pay. And I was paying them till 2021, May 21, $5,000. But 4th of June they sued me for $265,000 for behind rent. And 7th June, Brandon, Humans of New York, he called me. He said, Saroj, you got sued for $265,000. I said, why? And 9th June, I had my breast cancer surgery. Brandon says, Saroj, you go, relax mind, have your surgery done, and I will handle this for you. I said, okay. In December 2020, one of my customer, she added me in her story, something like that, and Nico read that story. Then Nico called her. He said, I want to meet this Saroj Goel. And then he came with her. He took my one picture and he said, and he posted on the Instagram. Then I had like 700,000 liking right away. Bella Hadid, she endorsed me and a lot of people like. That day I had my surgery, she texted me like twice, Saroj, we are waiting for you, we love you. And you know, like the East Village, you know, like a lot of people, they text me for my good health and wishes. I am very grateful to them, everybody. And I'm blessed. I'm getting a lot of love here.
उस रोशनी में जो निर्णय की रोशनी है, सब कुछ समान होगा क्या? एक पलड़े में नपुंसकता, एक पलड़े में पौरुष और ठीक तराजू के कांटे पर अर्थ सत्य है.
So then Brendan says, Saroj, you're dealing with the cancer. We don't want you to struggle so much. So can we make a deal with them, we will pay $130,000 and you will leave the place in January. That was when my husband's legacy. He worked very hard. He walked village to collect all these vintage pieces. But I will be doing business online now and I will focus on my health because I have to do further treatment for my cancer. I didn't do anything after my surgery. That is my story, and I can spend some more time with my grandson. Yeah. So that is, that's it. I mean it, but we love this place, and I think people will support me in the online business because I need all the support to pay my bills, So thank you. It was great. Okay, thank you.
मरूं या मारूं, मारा जाऊं या जान से मार दूं, इसका फैसला कभी ना हो पाएगा. सोया हुआ आदमी जब नींद से उठकर चलना शुरू करता है, तब सपनों का संसार उसे दोबारा दिख ही नहीं पाएगा. उस रोशनी में जो निर्णय की रोशनी है, सब कुछ समान होगा क्या? एक पलड़े में नपुंसकता, एक पलड़े में पौरुष और ठीक तराजू के कांटे पर अर्ध सत्य.